Three constructs are used in an algorithm. These are sequence, selection, and iteration. Sequence is statement executed one after the other in the order they are written. You can't miss a step in between. One simple program that we can look at is sum of two numbers. So let's say you need to write a program that will input two numbers and output sum. So we know these two numbers, they should be inputted by the user. And then we need one additional variable to store the intermediate result. Therefore, in this case, I declare two variables num1, num2. I need to specify the data type, plus same for sum, which is of type integer. Next, I do input num1 and num2. This is where the user is going to input two values via the keyboard. These two values are stored in the memory. Now, on the next line, this is a process. Programs don't remember what has happened in the previous statement. Therefore, they look up in the memory, num1 and num2, they add the value, and store it in a new memory location known as sum to output the value later on the screen. Animation to show you that. When we declare num1, we declare num2, and we declare sum. We input num1 and num2. So num1, num2, and sum, these are three different variables. We have three memory locations reserved for them. When I say input num1 and num2, user type two values, which are 3 and 5. But on the next line, where I have sum is equal to num1 plus num2, I need to add these two numbers, but we don't remember what are those two numbers. So your computer is going to look through the memory location. This memory location are 3 and 5. Therefore, we add them. In this case, we output the sum, which is 8. Same for area. We know that area for a rectangle, we need length and width. In this case, area is equal to length multiplied by width. Now, if you take a look to the program for that, I start by declaring the different variable, length, width, and area. I input length and width, and then I do area is equal to length multiplied by width, and then I output the area. Same for area of a circle now. But here we have one important thing known as a constant. Remember, a constant doesn't change its value. For example, pi. In this case, area is equal to pi multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. Program is declare radius real. Declare a constant pi. Declare area. We input a radius, then do a computation, and then output area. That's it for sequence. Now let's look at some